This given paragraph concludes on the idea that global warming is a consequence of natural changes that happen due to volcanic eruptions and not as much as due to human activity. Right? Now, which of the following statement most seriously weaken the conclusion? If any of the conclusions prove the vice versa, that is, global warming is a consequence of human activity and not volcanic eruptions, then that argument will weaken the conclusion. Option A says natural changes in volcanic activity over the last 140 years can barely account for 1/3 of the rise in temperature over the same period. So if volcanic activity constitutes only 1/3 rise in the temperature, then definitely the reason for the rise in temperature does not lie in natural changes due to volcanic eruptions, and thereby the blame for global warming falls on human activity, and therefore option A weakens the argument, weakens the conclusion, and hence is the correct answer. Option B says some of the critics of global warming theory also suggest that even if Earth is warming, it's not a cause for alarm. So whether global warming is a cause of alarm or not, that is not the concern of the paragraph, and therefore option B is irrelevant. Option C says volcanic activity on Earth has been increasing with many new volcanoes becoming active in the last 140 years. This only strengthens the argument. This cannot weaken the argument. D says satellites which measure temperatures all over the world show no real trend in any direction. In fact, in recent decades, they show global cooling. This paragraph negates the very premise of the paragraph, that is, global warming happening in the last 140 years. Right? This is not in any case negating the conclusion, weakening the conclusion, but negating the very foundation of this paragraph, and therefore can be easily eliminated. So the correct answer is option A.